Trying to stop the Roomba from flying off the edge of the platform. So, good morning, you guys. I am on my way out. Me and Ann, we're gonna have a mommy-daughter day. Got a lot of running around to do, and frankly, I have to take her with me because Anthony is about to go to work, but it is Sunday, fun day. I got running around to do. So I'm still trying to get used to this mirror my dad put up last night. So far, so good. I kind of like it, you know. I'm just trying to get used to it. And I ordered a cabinet for all the rest of the stuff that I have to organize in some way. So I'm waiting for that. It's a real cute cabinet too, you guys. I'm really trying to get this bathroom looking nice. This is some stuff I got from IKEA yesterday. I love these. I ordered some more on Amazon that were a little bit bigger and had a little bit of a different style because I don't want them to all be exactly the same. But I really love the look of this. Looks very sterile, looks very spa-like. And I ordered these little baskets. It's 3 of them, big, medium, and small. So I feel like I'm going to use this to kind of just decorate. And then I found this bamboo charger type of thing. I'm thinking this can be good for like a soap holder. Something unique, right? Not the norm. So I'll see how I feel about these items. Sometimes I buy stuff like this and I just have it for options, and I may or may not use it. But I just like to have options for setting up a space. Because what I kind of want to do is get rid of all of those colorful products. I want all of them to be kind of in standardized containers versus all that color. Because I don't know, sometimes when your bathroom has a color scheme and then you throw in all of your body and hair products and it's all different colors all over the place, it looks kind of a little bit ugly, especially if your shower is glass like this. Perfect example of me buying too much stuff just to see how it's gonna look in the house. I bought these fake bear fur rugs and I don't like it. So I'm about to take these back. And let me see your outfit, girl. Let me see the outfit. It's kind of nap time, so hopefully we can have a good day. Cute little hunters. I got my hunters on too. We're twins. Push me to the edge. Canon, that's alright. Is that alright? That's nothing you rather say. I just want that. Alright, we're here at IKEA. It's packed as heck in here. Veggie balls. So I returned the stuff and now I'm at the cafeteria. Guys, I love IKEA food. Anne went to sleep, so she won't be eating anything right now. I'll just have to get her together a little bit later. She crashed out as soon as we got on the E-way. It's so hard walking through here and not buying something, but I refused because I was just buying stuff in here yesterday. That girl woke up. You woke up. Are you cozy? Oh, so I picked up a couple of these bathroom canisters. So cute. I'm just looking to see what's in here. This is actually exactly what I've been looking for. Something like this. Anyway, this is what I've been looking for too. It's fun, but it's not practical. This is exactly why I shop in the kitchen section for stuff for the bathroom, because these same jars with the lids are significantly more expensive in the bathroom section. I could get 2 of these for 20 bucks or spend $35 on the other ones. Honestly, like, they look exactly the same. Like, what's the difference? I'm gonna get this one. Y'all, I am finally back home and it's like a whole day has gone by. The sun is down, it's all dark outside. But there's still a lot more of the day left. It just doesn't look like it outside. I took Ann in the house already because sometimes I do that when I gotta carry a lot of bags and stuff. Just close the door with my foot. Y'all, Anthony is in here getting a haircut in the kitchen, so shh, don't say nothing.
Together with you.